Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Marathi. We will start new lesson in Marathi. Students, today we are going to learn lesson number 13 आमचा वर्ग. Children, Varga means our classroom. I know you all are missing our school. You missing your classroom. So today we are going to learn Marathi आमचा वर्ग. एका म्हणा. Me Dhanu. Now Dhanu is telling her story to us. She is telling मी तिसरीत आहे. I'm studying in standard third. हा माझा वर्ग आहे. Now look at the classroom, children. हा माझा वर्ग. आम्ही आमचा वर्ग साफ करायचे ठरवले. Now children, now everybody they have decided to clean their classroom. मी वर्ग उघडला. एरिनाने खिडकी उघडली. मनीषने झाडू घेतला. वर्ग झाडला. Now children, खिडकी means what? Now look at this. At the window. Now we also have window in our classroom. Then झाडू means broom. मनीषने झाडू घेतला and he clean. चिन्नप्पाने जिना झाडला. Now जिना means what? Now children, in our school whenever we have to go on first floor we always use our staircase. Or staircase means what? Gina. Farida, Madan यांनी कचरा भरला. Now they what they have done, they put all the that no sharpener stuff and the pencil, that all the papers they put it in the dustbin. एकनाथने बाके पुसली. Now बाके means what, children? बाके means benches. कपाट पुसले. Now, do we have kapat in our classroom? Yes, we have a cupboard where teachers keep their notebooks, register. मीना ने फळा पुसला. Now, children, फळा means what? फळा means blackboard. Now, children, we have a two blackboard. No, we have only one blackboard and we have one whiteboard. So we have a two board in our classroom. खडूने फळ्यावर सुविचार लिहिला. No, suvichar means what? What? Just tell me now. What is the meaning of suvichar? Do you remember, children? Whenever class teacher comes in your classroom and they always write one thought on the blackboard. You know, so that's called a suvichar. काशीनाथने दरवाजा पुसला. दरवाजा means what? Door. And सारा वर्ग साफ झाला. आम्हाला खूप आनंद झाला. Yes, children, do you remember how madam she used to tell us you have to clean our classroom, clean and throw the papers in the dustbin. So children, cleaning is very important. If we will keep our classroom clean, if we will keep our school clean, then we will not have any problem. We will have a healthy life. We will live a healthy. So children, cleaning is very important. Okay, so we should always keep our surrounding clean. So here are what some new words what we have learned from this lesson. Now look at the first word. खिड़की, झाड़ू, बाग, फड़ा, खड़ू, darwaja. Then see the look at the names now. Okay, Erina, Manish, Eknath, Meena, Chinnappa, Kashinath, Farida, Madan, Dhanu. Okay, these are the words. And गोलातील अक्षर जोडलेला शब्द एक सारख्या अक्षराखाली रेख ओढा. शब्द वाचा. ना चिल्ड्रन हियर झा डू डू. Now the second word झाडू. Do is the second word, second letter, and खडू. Do is the second letter. Now again झाडू खडू. Then फळा. Then फरीदा. Okay. So here what? So now you will read this, but now before you read, I would like to show you our classroom. So come on, children, let's go.
Hello students, just we have discussed about our class. Okay, so we should also clean our classroom, na? So when you'll come to school, you have to clean our classroom. So here is our third standard, third C classroom. Okay. So what you have to do, children? So now I'm going to show the picture. So yes, just we have discussed about khidki, then we discussed about jhadu, bag, fada, khadu, darwaza, jina. That I'm going to show now. Okay. This this thing also we have in our school. So the first, what is this? This is our blackboard. In Marathi we say fada. Okay. And here is a whiteboard. Whiteboard means what? Again, fada. Pandra fada, kala fada. Okay. These are the our blackboard. Now here is our cupboard where we keep everything. Now kapat. We say in Marathi kapat. Then we also have window. See, one khidki. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now children, bak means what? Bak means what? Where you sit. Here. These are the benches. Here called the bak. Now children, jhadu. We also have dustbin, then jhadu. Then here is the door. Door means what? Darwaza. Darwaza. Okay? Darwaza. Now staircase means what? Here is a Jina. Jina means what? Staircase. From here you go upstairs and down. So children, when you come to school, what we have learned from this lesson? We have to clean our classroom and we have to write a thought also. So children, when you will come to school, we have to keep our classroom clean. Okay children? Bye-bye.